Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Install Theme Me and sign in so your settings sync. Next, grant storage and accessibility permissions so the app can apply themes system-wide. This is necessary. Once done, pick a base theme or import an image to generate palette suggestions. Make sure to set primary color, accent, and font family now. These determine contrast and legibility across apps. This immediate setup avoids backtracking later and gets you ready for detailed customization. You now refine the theme by assigning color roles. Map background, surface, primary, secondary, and text colors to ensure contrast ratios meet readability. After that, tweak typography, change heading sizes, body scale, and line height, and preview on sample screens to see real effects. Then, configure icon shapes, widget styles, and transition animations. These micro-decisions affect perceived speed and clarity. Once you finish adjustments, save as a named preset so you can revert or apply the exact look later. You finish by applying the theme globally or per app, and then test on your most used apps and home screens to confirm consistency. Once satisfied, export the preset to a file or cloud backup and enable automatic sync in account settings so changes follow you. If the theme does not appear correctly, clear the app cache, regrant permissions, and try reapplying. Restoring from the exported preset solves mismatched colors. Keep one troubleshooting tip handy. Relaunch the launcher after permission changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.